everyone, welcome back to class. So today we will do new chapter, geometry. In this chapter first we will know about a kinds of line. What we will know about a kinds of line. First we will know about the kinds of lines, okay? So you see this is a scale. With this scale I will draw one line, okay? One line I have drawn. Again I will draw one line. Understood? With this scale I have drawn two lines here. What you are seeing, I have drawn two lines. Again I will take the scale and I will draw a line, and it will be different types of line, okay, different than this. So yes, I have drawn two lines. What you are seeing, difference between two lines. This line is one line and one line is after that one line. And here one line, another line is cutting one line. Okay, what you are seeing, here one point is there. Both lines are cutting each other. So in this what you are seeing, that line here, suppose you think this is L and this is M. Understood? Two line is there. So line, what you are seeing in this, that line L and M are parallel line. They will never meet even when they are extended. Yes, this L and M are the parallel line. It is parallel to each other and they will never meet each other if they extend from both the sides. Understood? This is known as what? Parallel line. Understood? This two line, this is L line and this is M line. Okay? This two line is parallel to each other, and this line both will never meet each other if they are extend any both the side. If they will extend, then also they will not meet each other. Understood? So two line I have taken. One line is L and other line is M. Understood? What I have taken here, two line. One line is L and other line is M. So this two line is known as what? Parallel line. It is known as what? Parallel lines. Understood? This is known as parallel lines. What you are seeing in the parallel lines, that line L and M are the parallel line. If they are extend from both the sides, then also they will not meet each other. They will not meet. Understood? They will not meet each other if they will extend from both the sides. Clear it is? Next I am taking here one more line. Line U and V. This is line U and this is line V. And this is a point 0. Understood? What is that? Line U and V, and this is that 0. Means this is O point. Midpoint is known as O. I have taken there. So line U and V are intersect each other. Intersecting each other. What you are seeing here, line U and V. Two line is there. Yes. Suppose you think two pen. This two pen, if I will keep it here like this way, it is parallel. If I will put it like this way, pen A and pen B, what you are seeing that if I will put like this way, pen A intersecting pen B and point where it is meeting, that point is O. So line U and V intersect, cross at the point O. Intersect and cross at the point O. So you will write here what? Intersecting line. What you will write that? Intersecting line. Understood? That line what you will write? Intersecting lines. Clear it is? What you are seeing here, two line I have taken U and V. This two line is intersecting to each other in the point O. Okay, so it is known as intersecting line. Clear it is? So what you have learned about two types of line. Number one, you have learned about a parallel line. What is parallel line? Two line I have drawn, and this two line, if I will extend from both the side, if I will extend this line from both the side, they will not meet or not cut to each other. That is known as parallel line. Here two line I have taken, two line is cutting each other point O. So this is known as intersecting line. Clear what you have learned today? Intersecting line and parallel line. Next we will know about a plane and solid figure. It is clear to you all? Okay, you see it? Now you will know about what? Plane and solid figure. What you are seeing that okay, plane and solid. What is this? This is a V-shaped solid figure. Yes, this is, you will say that this is a solid figure. Okay, and this one, what is this? This is a plane figure. The scale is, you can say it is a plane figure. So what is the difference between plane figure and solid figure? Suppose you take your hand and you trace one line. Okay, you take your hand, put your hand and you draw one figure here. Which figure you will get here? Plane figure? Yes, this is the plane figure. Which figure you can say? This is the plane figure. Understood? This figure is known as plane figure. So, and solid figure means, example you can take, this is a solid figure. This is also a solid figure. This box is also what? Solid figure, because so many faces there, edges are there, okay, lines are there, and this is also a solid figure. So if this solid figure, you will take this solid figure and you will draw it here. . what you will get here? This you will get one plane figure. Yes. What is this? This is a plane figure you got. This is a plane figure. So plane figure has a 2 dimension. It has 2 dimension. One is length and one is breadth. It is length and one is breadth. Plane figure is having 2 dimension, length and breadth. Understood what plane figure is having? 2 dimension, length and breadth. Length and breadth. Length and breadth, 2 dimension it is having. Understood? So it is known as what? Plane figure. And solid figure, suppose you think that box it is solid figure. I will draw here one solid figure. This is what figure? This is solid figure, okay? This figure is solid figure. Okay, what you are seeing here? This figure is solid figure. For example, I have shown you. This is a solid figure. What you are seeing is this face is there. What you are seeing? Face. Yes. And after face, these all are the face here. These all are the face, okay. After face, what you are seeing here? Corner is there and edges are there. This is a corner. Corner. Yes, these all are known as corner. This what you will say? Corner or vertex, and this is known as edges, okay. So in solid figure, what you have seen? In solid figure we are having here 3 dimension. In solid figure, what solid figure having? 3 dimension. What are the 3 dimension here? Face 1, 2, 3, 4, like this way you can count the face. Next thing, edges, this line are 1, 2, 3, 4, all this, many are their edges. And corner, this cone, this corner are known as corner. So how many dimension it is having? 3 dimension. And plane figure, how many dimension having? In plane figure, scale is plane figure, yes. So length and breadth. How many dimension? 2 dimension. Understood difference between plane figure and solid figure? Clear it is? So first, what you have learned today? First you have learned about the kinds of line. What you have learned? Kinds of line. So 2 kinds of line you have learned. One is the parallel line and another one is intersecting line. Parallel line, it will never meet each other if you will extend from both the sides. And intersecting line meeting each other at point O. Understood? Suppose I have taken 2 pen and I am showing you this is the intersecting line. Here point O where it is meeting, and parallel line, it is parallel line, parallel to each other. It will never meet if I will extend from both the sides also. Okay. Next you have learned about a plane and solid figure. Plane and solid figure. In plane and solid figures, what you are seeing? Plane and solid figures. Plane figure having 2 dimension. What plane figure having 2 dimension? plane figure is having 2 dimensions and solid figure is having 3 dimensions. Understood? Difference between that, it is having 2 dimensions. What are the 2 dimensions? Example, I have taken here one scale and I have shown you the scale. It is having length and breadth, means 2 dimensions. And solid figure, this is the solid figure. Solid figure having 3 dimensions. One is face, next one is edges, and third one is corner. Understood? Difference between plane figure and solid figure. Main difference it is that this solid figure has 3 dimensions and plane figure has 2 dimensions. Understood? So it is the difference between plane figure and solid figure. Okay? Today this much only. Next day again I will continue with other topic. Okay.